From the vibrant plumage of tropical birds to the stealthy movements of jaguars and the intricate web spinning of spiders, rainforest creatures have evolved an array of remarkable adaptations to survive in their lush, biodiverse habitat. Tropical rainforests are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, harboring millions of species, many of which are still unknown to science. But rainforests are facing unprecedented threats from deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and climate change. If we don't take action to protect them, we risk losing countless species before they are even discovered. Conservation efforts are underway to safeguard rainforest habitats and protect the creatures that inhabit them. From establishing protected areas to promoting sustainable land use practices, these initiatives are crucial for preserving the integrity of these vital ecosystems. Rainforest creatures play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. From pollinating plants to controlling insect populations and dispersing seeds, they are the guardians of Earth's green lungs. By protecting rainforest creatures and their habitats, we not only conserve biodiversity but also mitigate climate change, support local communities, and ensure the survival of countless species for generations to come. As we marvel at the wonders of the rainforest and its inhabitants, let us also remember our responsibility to cherish and protect these precious treasures of nature.